Let's learn how to use Zoho Meeting integration inside Zoho Mail, a feature that allows you to view, schedule, and start meetings without ever leaving your inbox. Step 1. Quick Launch. You can launch Zoho Meeting directly from your mailbox. On the right-hand side panel, click the Zoho Meeting icon and choose Start a Meeting to instantly begin. Once the meeting is initiated, you can open it directly in Zoho Meeting, copy the meeting link, or invite participants via email or Zoho Click. If you prefer to plan ahead, click Schedule a Meeting, which will open the Zoho Meeting e-widget for detailed setup. Step 2. Accessing Zoho Meeting in e-widget. The e-widget gives you full control over your meetings from inside Zoho Mail. To access it, click the e-widget icon at the bottom right corner of your mailbox. From the app list, select Zoho Meeting. Here, you'll see a complete list of your scheduled meetings, including date, duration, and participants. You can even edit meeting details by clicking the edit icon. Step 3. Upcoming meetings. All upcoming meetings are listed clearly. Click on any meeting card to view details and hit Start to begin instantly. Step 4. Meet Now. Need to start a quick meeting? Click Meet Now in the e-widget. You can view or edit the meeting topic, add participants, invite them via mail or click, or simply copy the link and share it. Once ready, click Launch Meeting, and your meeting opens directly in Zoho Meeting. Step 5. Schedule a meeting. To schedule a meeting in advance, click Schedule Meeting. Enter the topic, time, agenda, and participants. In the Conference dropdown, choose Use Zoho Conference to schedule it inside Zoho Meeting, or select Use My Own Conference Service if you're using a third-party platform. Once done, click Schedule to confirm. Step 6. Join a meeting. If you've already been invited to a meeting, simply click Join Meeting in the e-widget. Enter the meeting key and click Join Now to connect through Zoho Meeting instantly. Every great solution starts with an idea. Tell us your vision, and we'll design the next steps and workflow to bring it to life. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.